Save time and energy by learning what order to clean your house. Tidy first. Tidy away anything out of place, like those kids' toys in the living room or the contents of your makeup bag in the bathroom. It's best to get this done first. So when you tackle individual rooms, you're not starting with a big sigh of frustration because you still need to tidy. Next, spray, load, and switch on. If you're cleaning your oven, need to leave bleach in the toilet bowl or have a grimy kitchen surface, you'll probably be applying cleaning product and then leaving it for a while. So you may as well start with this so it can get to work as you clean other areas. Just make sure you don't leave it on too long than specified on the bottle or recommended for the type of surface. The same applies to using your washing machine and dishwasher. Put in your loads and switch them on, so they will be closer to finishing once you've done the rest of the house. Then tackle the most difficult room. More often than not, the worst room is the bathroom because there's so much to do. The toilet, shower and bath all need going over, as well as any little fixtures that need a scrub. Don't make the mistake of leaving the bathroom until last when you might be too tired to do it properly. Next, clean the kitchen. Make sure you do your surfaces and knobs properly and clean the sink as well as at least the outside of your microwave and fridge. You can leave the kitchen and bathroom floors until later. Dust and organize. Dusting is often an afterthought when cleaning your house, but it's important that it's done early on. Why? When you dust, some of it will inevitably end up on the floor, which doesn't make great sense if you've just cleaned it. Use a handheld vacuum cleaner to tackle any particularly dusty areas. A classic feather duster for those cobwebs and a dust cloth for polishing surfaces and mirrors. While you're cleaning well-used surfaces, you may as well do a little reorganizing, too. Finally, mop and vacuum. Make sure you vacuum floors as well as the carpets, so the bigger bits of dirt have been removed. Your mopping can be more effective. And you're done.